Gentlemen, behold!
Alright, so mainline figure. I'm not one for getting mainline figures because I think they are really cheap for the cost. But I I saw this guy at Walmart and he looks nice, and it's a monkey, and you know, so you got like gorillas, and man, I don't know. So I ended up getting him. Let's see what we have in here. So here are my, oh shit, my first impressions of this guy. All right, swords. Oh wow. Let's see if I can do this quickly. That's, you know, it's nice that, you know, the packaging is biodegradable. That's cute. I heard that they're going back to putting plastic on the packaging because people don't know how to behave, and they are removing heads from figures, and people are complaining that they are removing heads from figures because people suck and people are fucking stupid, and we can't have nice things. Anyways, let's see. Because here's the thing. I like him. He looks nice, honestly. Oh man, he looks great. uh, let me. He looks really good. I'll be honest. I I like him. I like monkey butts, man. I really like monkey butts and monkey butts. But this guy is not worth $50, you know? So like what, 42 plus tax? Like, this guy is not worth that much. I do like how he looks. Like I'll be honest, like I really, really, really like how he looks. He looks pretty awesome. He feels fine. I'm missing the opening hands that the other Primal had from Kingdom. See if we can get you like into some sort of a pose. Your ankle tilt is very lacking, but there we go. Can barely move the head either. All right, that's something. That's something, I guess. Transformation apparently is very simple. Whoa, what? That's interesting. That's cool though. Huh? Look at that. Look at that. That is decent. So yeah, like put this like this. You put this like this. Let's turn the monkey boy. Monkey boy. Imagine you flip this around because you know it's primal. You always flip that around, and you open these up. You fold these in. You put this. I like this part of the transformation. That's pretty clever. That is pretty fucking clever. Let's see if I can. No, it's just gonna use this. It's easier. There we go. Put that in there. Again, this is a very clever part of the transformation. That's pretty cool. Uh-huh. This looks like it could bend forward. No, it cannot. So there we go. Like for now, probably missing a part of the instructions, but for now, you just pull this to the side, right? Come on, come on. There we go. And you pull this out. You just hide this in there, and then you just do this. There we go. Yeah. There's your Mm-hmm. Put this forward and monkey. Uh, it's fucking man. I don't know, man. It's just fucking rambling at this point. Just went to Walmart, saw him, and just had to have him. Just had to have him. I must admit, like the ape mode works really well. It does. It really, really does. Can you stand in ape mode? Oh, you shouldn't. But he looks decent. Just that these figures are not. They're really not worth $50. They're you know what, like for 30, I could totally see this makes sense for $30. But what they're asking for it, hell no. That's why I usually stick, uh, high end stuff like, you know, this, like $40, 250. Is this really worth 250? I think so. Is this worth almost 50? Not at all. Is it enjoyable? Yeah, I would say it is. I would say it is. Do I have buyer's remorse? Yeah, a little bit. A little bit. That's what I tell a lot of people. To me, it's better quality over quantity. It's just like I'm a fan of 8 bots. That's why my favorite Kang Toys Predacon is actually Thorilla, because I do like gorilla bots. They're cool, and he looks nice. And like transforming him is not. It's not hard at all. It's fairly simple, and that I do appreciate the simplicity of the transformation. Yeah, that's that. It's quick and efficient. See, look at that. Look at that. Split this. Just open it up. Split this open. Pull this outside. Pull this out. Flip it around. Tuck it back in. Tuck these back in. And put this there. And there you go. Yes, we're not even 10 minutes in. I already transformed this guy twice. That's it's efficient for what it is, but like again, almost 50. Hell no. I will say I cannot wait for the third party versions of these guys, because they're gonna be really awesome. I do have a stand with a bunch of mainline figures at work, so this guy is going to work with me. Probably gonna stay in my backpack for a couple of days. Yeah. That's been my first impressions to Voyager class Optimus Primal from the Rise of the Beast movie. See you guys next time. Monkey.